Are you multifamily curious and you've always wanted to consider or learn how to invest in multifamily properties, but just don't know where to start? Well, you know what? DM us the word kit, and what we'll do is send you out our Investor's Starter Kit, which has three components to it. Very exciting. We've got information for you on cap stack structuring, which will help you to optimize your capital stack and reduce liability or risk in your capital stack. It'll also send you a syndication piece, which will teach you how to syndicate, the fundamentals of syndicating a multifamily deal and using other people's money. And thirdly, there's a piece on the vernacular of the language of the industry so that you know how to speak to investors, sellers, brokers. That'll get you started in investing and in your journey of multifamily investing so that you can grow wealth, get passive income, and reduce your tax liability legally. So again, DM us the word KIT and we'll get that out to you right away. And remember, it's all in the numbers.